Tata Safari and Harrier have aced the safety test by Global NCAP, scoring the highest score for both adult and child safety in their Safer Cars for India program. Both the Safari and Harrier, based on same platform, managed to earn top ratings. Both cars uses optimal modular efficient global advanced architecture derived from Land Rover's D8 platform. The Safari can fit up to 7 people while the Harrier seats 5. They both come with 6 airbags and ESC as standard features. Both the Harrier and Safari got full 5-star rating for keeping both adults and kids safe. Both Harrier and Safari scored 33.05 out of 34 for adult safety and an impressive 45 out of 49 for child safety. They also excel in protecting child passengers during dynamic test, equipped with ISOFIX anchorages and a passenger airbag disabler, making them great for carrying kids. When they did the frontal impact test, both the driver and passenger got good protection for their heads, necks and knees. The same goes for passengers' tibias. Chest and the driver's tibias also got an OK protection rating. The only downside is that the footwell area and the body shell only got a stable rating, meaning they may take more stress on impacts. In side impacts, everyone's body parts got good protection, but there was a slight hiccup with marginal chest and OK abdomen protection in the side pole test. On the bright side, the curtain airbags did their job well, providing good protection for head and pelvis. Additionally, they also meet the pedestrian protection requirement standards. When it comes to child protection, the seats for the 18-month-old and 3-year-old were installed facing the rear. Both kept those little heads safe during the frontal impact test and offered complete protection in the side impact test. The Safari and Harrier also meet and passed Global NCAP's ESC standards and have seatbelt reminders for all seats along with optional ADAS technologies. In terms of safety equipments, the facelifted Harrier and Safari come equipped with up to 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold control, seatbelt reminder, traction control, rollover mitigation, rear parking sensors, tire pressure monitoring system, blind spot monitoring system, 360-degree surrounded camera and ADAS. Global NCAP Secretary General praised Tata for their 5-star rating on both models, emphasizing their commitment to safety. Global NCAP checks how well cars protect people in frontal and side impact collisions, as well as their electronic stability control. The best rated cars also have to show good pedestrian and side impact pole protection. The excellent result for Safari and Harrier indicate a positive safety trend that's likely to continue throughout the Indian auto industry. Thanks for watching.